Setcrete Rapid Set DPM is a one-coat, solvent-free, two-part epoxy resin system which cures to provide a damp-proof membrane, providing a barrier to residual construction moisture and rising damp. It's pigmented black to aid coverage uniformity and applied in one coat with a cure time from just 3 hours. Resin and hardener are supplied in the correct quantities. Mix only in full packs as mixing ratios are critical. Empty all the contents of the hardener container into the resin container, then thoroughly mix using a power whisk fitted to a low-speed electric drill. Mix for 2 minutes until a uniform color and consistency is achieved. Then, scrape the sides of the container to ensure that the hardener component has been thoroughly mixed. Mix for a further 2 or 3 minutes. Setcrete DPM hardens by chemical reaction. It's important that once mixed, the membrane is applied immediately to the subfloor. Pour the mixed product onto the floor and spread the material using the spreader supplied in the kit. Then using a pre-coated roller, roll the material to obtain an even pinhole-free coating. When the membrane has fully cured, after approximately 4 hours, apply neat Setcrete acrylic primer and allow to dry before applying the appropriate Setcrete leveling compound. Setcrete Rapid Set DPM can also be applied over screeds containing certain underfloor heating systems. For specific guidelines for use with this type of system, please consult our technical service department for further advice.